Python Setup.Py uninstall. I have installed a Python package with Python Setup.Py install. How do I uninstall it?
Note: avoid using Python Setup.Py install, use pip install. You need to remove all files manually, and also undo any other stuff that installation did manually. If you don't know the list of all files, you can reinstall it with the record option, and take a look at the list this produces. To record a list of installed files, you can use. Once you want to uninstall, you can use zargs to do the removal. Or if you're running Windows, use PowerShell. Then delete also the containing directory, for example /library/framework/versions/3.7/lib/python3.7/site-packages/my_module0.1.egg/on/macOS. It has no files, but Python will still import an empty module. Once deleted, Python shows.
For me, the following mostly works. Have pip installed, for example. Check, how is your installed package name from pip point of view? This shall list names of all packages you have installed, and which were detected by pip. The name can be sometime long, then use just the name of the package being shown at the end after #egg equals. You can also in most cases ignore the version part, whatever follows equals or. Then uninstall the package. If it asks for confirmation about removing the package, then you are lucky guy and it will be removed. Pip shall detect all packages, which were installed by pip. It shall also detect most of the packages installed via easy_install or Setup.Py, but this may in some rare cases fail. Here's real sample from my local test with package name ttr.rdsdmc on MS Windows. Edit May 20th, 2015. All what is written above still applies. Anyway, there are small modifications available now. Install pip in Python 2.7.9 and Python 3.4. Recent Python versions come with a package ensure pip allowing to install pip even when being offline. $Python m ensure pip upgrade. On some systems, like Debbie and Jesse, this is not available, to prevent breaking system Python installation. Using grep or find. Examples above assume you have grep installed. I had, at the time I had MS Windows on my machine, installed set of Linux utilities, including grep. Alternatively, use native MS Windows Finder, simply ignore that filtering and find the name in a bit longer list of detected Python packages.
The number one answer has problems. Won't work on Mac. If a file is installed which includes spaces or other special characters, the zargs command will fail, and delete any file/directories which match the individual words. The rn, rmrf, is unnecessary and at worst could delete things you don't want to. Instead, for Unix like and for Windows, there are also unsolvable problems with uninstalling Setup.Py install which won't bother you in a typical case. For a more complete answer, see this wiki page. This URL.
First record the files you have installed. You can repeat this command, even if you have previously run Setup.Py install. When you want to uninstall, you can just This works because the rm command takes a whitespace separated list of files to delete, and your installation record is just such a list.
Now Python gives you the choice to install pip during the installation. I am on Windows, and at least Python does so for Windows. Considering you had chosen to install pip during installation of Python, you don't actually have to choose because it is default. Pip is already installed for you. Then, type in pip in command prompt. You should see a help come up. You can find necessary usage instructions there. For example, pip list shows you the list of installed packages you can use to uninstall any package that you don't want anymore. Read more here. Pip documentation.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.